Hi everyone, it's Mark from Top Homeowner. Today we're going to take a look at what you need to do to fix a door that doesn't like to close when you shut it. Okay, so with this particular door, what happens is when you open it, everything's fine, but you can see it kind of moves out of position. So when you try and shut the door, it actually doesn't want to go back. It hits, and it hits at the top. You can tell that because there's no gap here, and then at the bottom, you can actually see light coming through, right? So that means the door is actually kind of hanging off to the side. Now this could be for a couple of reasons. One, it could be because the house is actually settled and it no longer lines up. So if that's the case, if the reason why your door is rubbing the frame is because your house is settled, then what you'll want to do is you'll want to take a hand planer and you'll want to shave down this door until it clears. But in this case, that's actually not the problem. The problem with this is the hinges are loose. So the only thing we have to do to fix this is to figure out which hinges are loose, which looks like these right here. And you can see that these screws are unscrewed by quite a bit. So what we need to do is we need to screw these back into place and it should fix the door. Now, if for some reason these screws are stripped, where when we start to screw it in, if it doesn't want to go in, it just kind of spins. What we'll do is we'll have to repair it with a dowel pin and some glue, but we'll see if that's needed here. Now you can see a couple of those screws are spinning, and so that probably means that this door is going to loosen up again. What we're going to do is, for right now, it looks like it's kind of holding, so we're going to try that and see what happens. If it actually loosens up again, we'll have to pull those screws out and repair it with some dowel rods. So let's see how this goes here. And it closes. All right. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please be sure to like the video and don't forget to subscribe to Top Homeowner, where we strive to try and make you the top homeowner in your neighborhood. Thanks for watching. If that's the case, then what you have to do, Cody, if that's the case, then what you have to do, if that's the case,
Sorry.
okay.